this game is called Maria Went to Town. So, more or less, alam niyo na itong game na ito.
Stop, you just stop like that. Yes, if you want to stop.
Wala ba? Ganyan? Ay, bang mahulog ka dun, ha?
Okay, Maria goes to town. Ito ng game.
Yan. I-explain ni teacher. Teacher, dito ka. Masyado ka lang mahihayin sa
And that
microphone
is my fun.
Nakatawag niyo po, may ikutan kayo. Then,
Dad!
Ayan. So, ito relay. Si Daddy kailangan nakabandana, nakapagyung bang tawag dyan, at saka nakabasket. Iikot sila doon sa ating chair. Iikot sila sa kanilang chairs. Siyempre kung sino unang makatapos, siya yung panalo. Okay.
okay, tatlong po, lang team. Kaya din sa bata. Ay, sila ni Tunin sa bata.
Just turn it on. Yeah, but you have to turn it off if it's not. Okay, you know? Oh, then